Hello my dear students, here comes with you another session of your Indian economics. Today we will discuss a very crucial topic that is called balance of payments. Mind you, this topic is very essential again from your examination point of view, and it is a bit, I won't say it's a difficult one, but it's a bit knowledgeable one. So let's do it, let's study it. Don't worry, it's much easier. Come. Okay. So what is balance of payment? The balance of payment of a country is a systematic record of all economic transaction of a country and rest of the world. That means whatever the economic activity is happening in a company, when we are recording it systematically and comparing it with our country and the rest of the world, this system is known as balance of payment. Now, what is this? Number one, in this definition we can describe it is a systematic recording, something which we are recording systematically. So, all the transaction which is happening between our country and the rest of the world, we are recording it systematically. Number two, all economic transaction. Now, let me tell you, what do you mean by economic transaction? Economic transaction are those transactions which are been happening for a monetary give and take policy. If I am donating something to a country, that is not an economic transaction. If some country is donating me something, that is also not an economic transaction. Okay? There should be a give and take policy between two countries. Next, what is this? It's all import and export details between two countries. Import means when we are getting something from other country, and export means when we are giving to some other country. So when something is happening between two countries, all balance of payments taking place. I am giving something and they are giving me something. Okay? For example, India and US. We are having a balance of trade between these two countries, and accordingly balance of payment is happening. Again I am repeating, it is a system by which a particular country is recording its all economic transaction in comparison to the rest of the world or other country for which it is dealing. Now, for more specification, what is this all about? If I go to a bit practical approach of this, how the country is doing this. There are two types of accounts over here. First one is known as financial account or capital account. Non-commerce student, don't get very scared. I'm trying to explain you in a very layman thing. Capital account means capital assets. Capital assets mean those assets which stay in a company or a country for a longer period of time, and those who have a very huge amount. And next is current account or current assets. Okay? Now, financial asset or capital account brings the capital flow in a company. Capital flow, when I am getting, very layman, when I am getting something, what that getting can be? FDI, you must have heard this very much time. That is foreign investment, when the foreign country is investing in my country. Next is portfolio investment. Portfolio means a particular suitcase. Portfolio means a suitcase. In here, we means there are different types of financial assets which we are gathering. That can be bond, that can be savings, that can be equities. Equity means share of a company. Savings mean any savings. That can be post office savings, bank savings, and bond means some certificates which we are getting in against a investment. So all these three are my capital inflow. When somebody is, and these are making the surplus. Now the surplus means excess. Next is deficit, current account or trade inflow. When there is a trade going on. Trade can be of trade of goods, trade of services, investment income and transfer payments. Trade of goods means we know I am trading something, I am selling some goods to some country, or I am buying some goods from another company. In both the cases, we are exchanging a currency, so there will be a balance of payment. Trade of services, my men are going and working somewhere, their men are coming over here and working over here. Investment inflows, some other company has come over here and investing in my country. Okay, can be vice versa also. And the last one, transfer payments. Take for example, my brother is staying in USA. Every month he is sending me $1,000. So he is making the transfer of the dollars. So transfer payments. So dear students, in balance of payments, we have learned that how a company is dealing with other countries, how the company is dealing with its trade, how the company is maintaining its payments, and how it is doing it. So this is a very, very easy process. Everybody of us today know what is balance of payments, what is balance of trade, how the country is doing, and this is a very crucial time for studying this topic, because if you go through every day, the country is saying in this pandemic situation, India is getting a very powerful nation. And how this is becoming? This is becoming, one aspect of this is your balance of payment. So hope this session is helpful to you. Do good, stay healthy, stay well. Thank you.